to be doing cleaning and Christmas decorating. I thought I'd bring you along. Hopefully this gives you some inspiration for your own home to get in there, be motivated, and get this stuff done. Not only do I need to clean, I need to decorate. I've already started dragging stuff out. I have stuff everywhere. So we're just gonna get right into this and get this done. I don't think Evie's gonna be much help today. This is that time of year where I always like to do a mental health check-in with all my friends and family. I'd like to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. BetterHelp is an online platform where you and your therapist can come together to communicate, to effectively give you what you need, especially during this holiday season. One of the benefits of doing therapy with BetterHelp is that I'm able to do it right here in my own home. I can sit here and do it on video messaging, phone call, text messaging. That is so convenient and saves me time. One of the best features of BetterHelp is if you don't feel like the first therapist is a right fit for you, it is super simple to change until you feel like you find someone that you connect with. It's super simple to start with BetterHelp. You just go online, you fill out a questionnaire, and within a couple days, you'll be matched with a therapist. My therapist just gives me so much great advice, so many goals and strategies and things that I can use now. Having that outside perspective is such a game changer because you get like set on how you see things, but when you can see something from a different point of view, it really can start to put things into perspective. And so that is one of the biggest benefits that I have received from having a therapist through BetterHelp. I just want to remind you that it takes courage when you acknowledge that you need help, and it takes strength to move forward and take those next steps to do what you need to do for your mental health. If you feel like you'd benefit from a therapy session, be sure to head down to the link in the description box or head to betterhelp.com/acharmingabode and you will receive 10% off your first month of therapy. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video.